Hello everyone, this is Nicole from Altenew. Thank you so much for joining me. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can layer the images together from the festive foliage stem set. You can see that this is a 6x8 stem set, and it's going to allow you to create a beautifully layered tree for your holiday or winter themed cards. So I'm going to walk you through how you can layer the tree 1 and tree images together and heart 1 and heart 2 images together. You can also use the completed images of the tree and the heart together for easier layering impression. There are some really cute sentiments as well that you can use. So let's start with tree 1. I'm going to use limeade on this card, actually lime color for this image, and then we're going to stem those. For the next image, these are going to fit in those empty spots and complete the tree images. So we're going to start with limeade with the second image, and we will fit this in between those white areas where it wasn't stamped in the first time. So line that up nicely and stamp on it. And you can see that once you stamp on it, there is a blank image in the center that allows you to stamp heart. I'm going to start with heart 2 image and start in the center of the heart. I'm using baby pink for this. Now we are going to do heart number 1 image in fuchsia, and this will go into those blank images as well. I have a camera in front of me, so the heart is a little stamped off way, but you get the idea. Now there is a completed tree already for you to stamp. So I stamped this with fresh leaf ink pad, and you're going to fill in the heart using the completed heart image from the set. And I am using magenta for this. And that's how you layer the images up for this stem set. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@altenew.com. Thank you so much for watching.